Is there a shortcut for creating a new file? I haven't seen any shortcut for creating a new text document or any file. Is there any?
Windows 7 and earlier, Alt plus F, W, T works, regardless of whether the file or folder pane has focus. Windows 8, this doesn't work in anymore. Menu, W, T works as long as the file pane has focus. Windows 10, Menu, W, T works as long as the file pane has focus and no file is selected. Press Ctrl space to clear the selected files, thanks at Rogue. Windows 10 second method, Alt plus H, W, up, Enter. This works even if a file is selected.
I wrote a script based on the suggestions to use AutoHotkey. If you want to change the .text file extension, this requires hide extensions for known file types to be off. If you need any help with AutoHotkey, let me know. Smile.
The following works under XP. I don't have Windows 7. Make sure the files, not folders, pane has focus, Tab or F6 to get there. Make sure no file is selected. Press Ctrl plus space to unselect one file if necessary. Bring up either the File menu with Alt plus F or the Context menu with the Context menu key or Shift plus F10. Press W for New, and T for Text document.
It may be possible with a third-party solution. Haven't tested it. AutoKey is famous too, since it's not available in Windows 7's official keyboard shortcuts. You can create a new folder using Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter.
If you want to do it, consequences.